hopefully Mother Nature will cooperate, because today hasn't been so nice, Lissette.
Yeah, not at all. I have to say, go Canes, because you know I'm all about the U, Maribel.
And go
but
Heat.
Yeah, hopefully the weather will be nicer. And go Heat too. How awesome were they? Yeah, we wanted them to keep going. But yeah, in terms of the Canes game tomorrow, there could be a couple of showers and storms, but you know what? A little rain won't hurt anybody. But we do want to be careful when we see lightning, and that's what we don't want tomorrow or today even, because it can be very dangerous, right? We do have a couple of flood advisories that have been issued for much of South Florida. In Parkland, Coral Springs, Margate, Tamarack, flood advisory until 2 p.m. Still dealing with some lightning there. Deerfield Beach, Lighthouse Point, Pompano Beach, you're just dealing with some shower activity. The same goes in Oakland Park and Fort Lauderdale. Only a few lightning strikes there. Dania Beach, Hollywood, Davie, Pembroke Pines. Some flood advisories here all along the coastal areas of Broward and Miami-Dade County. This one's in effect till 1:15 for Hollywood, North Miami Beach. And a reminder, do not drive through flooded roads where you cannot detect the depth of the water. Some areas reporting 1 to 3 inches of rain here, especially for places like Aventura, North Miami, Pembroke Pines, Southwest Ranches, Weston, dealing with a shield of rain and some wet weather around Miami Lakes and Doral. But thankfully, these are just light showers now. West Miami and Coral Gables, as well as through southern Dade County, from Kendall through Palmetto Bay, Cutler Bay, Princeton, and down through Homestead. I can report even outside my house just some sprinkles now and some showers across the Upper Keys. Since midnight, we've picked up about a half of an inch of rain in Miami and about a quarter of an inch of rain in Oakland Park. The winds are fairly calm in Fort Lauderdale, but elsewhere light out of the east. And we have rain cooled upper 70s right now in Fort Lauderdale and Miami, 80 degrees in Kendall, yet warmer down through the Keys because we haven't had as much rain there. There's a view from our Biscayne Bay camera downtown Miami. It's looking cloudy and also looking quite cloudy and overcast from our Windjammer Resort camera. The other big story is that nationally, while we're still on the warm and muggy side, it's at 32 degrees right now in Denver, and parts of the southern Rockies hit with a snowstorm. Look at the temperature still in the 40s for the northern Rockies and the northern plains in Minneapolis, Bismarck, and Billings. And on the west coast, unfortunately, those wildfires continuing. So tropical storm Paulette, tropical storm Renee out there in the Atlantic, expected to stay out in the open waters of the Atlantic. This is something we don't have to worry about, but Renee is forecast to become a hurricane later this week before it recurs in a disturbance to the southeast of the Carolina coast. Has a low potential of development. There's Paulette, there's Renee, and a wave expected to roll off the coast of Africa has a high potential of development over the next 5 days. So we'll keep an eye on that. For today, though, storms around, keeping the rain gear handy. We could see some more downpours, and temperatures may make it to the upper 80s, depending on the clouds. For you boaters, no advisories, but reports of some water spouts offshore. So keep your eye to the sky tonight. Evening storms, mild and muggy, 76 degrees. So yeah, we are seeing over the next few days potential for some pretty heavy rainfall totals, more than 2 inches in spots. We've already seen more than 2 inches today. Due to plenty of moisture, will remain unsettled with the chance for these passing storms. And by the weekend, by Sunday, the rain chance should decrease a little bit. Maribel, back to you.